Hello there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. Now this is all about this art page which didn't quite make it. It didn't come out to my liking and so it's been waiting on the shelf for a makeover. But let me show you how it started out. I took one of my chipboard journal pages and I added 3 of these very large chipboard letters. These are embossed and I spelled out the word fun and glued it to my page. And then I used all my leftover pieces of napkins for added texture and design. Then I colored some of the flowers using my pigment powders, but quickly realized it just was not my flower day. And so when I decided to redo the page, I covered it in gesso. But as you can see, the pigment powders are very strong and are still visible. But I quite like that muted color as I hardly ever use these kind of pastel colors. So now I'm going on trying to rescue this page and I'm thinking of using these old pieces of book paper. And what I'm doing here is just using my Sharpie and drawing out some feathers. Now the next steps are super simple, so I will put on some music, but I will talk to you towards the end. So the last step I took was just some doodling to bring a few more details to these feathers, and that brings me pretty much to the end of this page, and I'm happy I was able to rescue it and it can take its place in my journal. Now it happens to me ever so often that a page or project just does not come out the way I had in mind, and sometimes I'm able to fix it immediately, other times it just has to wait a little while until I get the inspiration to tackle it again. But it is satisfying and feels good when you finally find the key to bring a project to a happy ending. I guess this type of work could fall under the category of recycle, reuse, repurpose, and so on. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the process and you like my new page. Thank you so much for coming. Hope to see you really soon again. Bye bye for now.